I'm Om Prakash Makam, Group Chief Operating Officer of PDS Multinational Fashions. We are a global organization involved in the apparel business. We design, develop, manufacture, source and supply ready-made apparel and consumer products to various retailers globally. Our retailers are spread across UK, Europe, US, Canada and many other countries. We are having operations in about 21 countries globally with about 2,300 employees and over 8,000 factory workers. We have two large manufacturing factories out of Bangladesh and close to about 80 subsidiaries in our business. One of the important objectives that we were trying to achieve through our digitization and automation process was to get consolidated business financials and operational financial reports at any point in time or in real-time basis. We were looking for solutions and we had the opportunity to evaluate many systems and solutions. Finally, we chose Finalizer, a product that is developed and marketed by Beyond Square under Karthik. We found the team to be very knowledgeable and product to be very user-friendly and convenient. And given that we have over 80 subsidiaries and multi-level consolidations, we found the product to be very useful and convenient to use in our business. And since they already had integrated SAP with many other businesses, we found that to be an interesting feature or an add-on that we could kind of fully leverage, and we finally made a decision to go with it. I congratulate them for having kind of put up this product, and it's going to be quite a useful tool or a useful solution for any corporate house that requires to look at consolidated financials at various levels, whether it's at the board level or senior management level or business unit level. So it's something that we hope that would help us and improve the productivity of our teams and analytical capabilities for our team as such. Thank you and good luck to Beyond Square and Karthik.